Angles and framing help the viewer with perspective. By giving them multiple angles of what they're looking at, it gives them a better connection with the scene and helps convey emotion. To keep the focus on the correct area of a scene, I tap and hold until the selected area goes orange. This means that the focus point is now locked in. Another way to change the perspective for the viewer is to use a variety of different camera angles. I will go into a couple of these now. The wide shot. This establishes the scene and helps the viewer understand a location. The long shot. On top of establishing a location, a long shot focuses more on a subject. For instance, a full body filling the frame. The medium shot. This is typically waist up, to focus attention on the character or scene. This allows the viewer to feel closer to the subject. To further enhance a medium shot, you can get closer with your camera to create more depth in the scene. A tight shot. This is used for more of an intimate scene, allowing you to get real close to your subject. A tight shot is great for dialogues or headshots. A detail shot. This is an extreme close-up shot and is used to put emphasis on a specific part of your scene, which helps you create a story and captivate your viewer. A low angle shot. Used to highlight and create power and dominance. Great for those epic clips in dramatic environments where the subject is smaller than the surroundings. Over the shoulder shot. Using an over the shoulder shot usually includes two subjects, with one subject in the foreground creating a feeling that the viewer is being spoken to, allowing the viewer to feel engaged and part of a conversation. The point of view shot. This gives the audience a view of what a character is looking at. This is great for scenes with movement or action, allowing the viewer to feel like they're close and part of the action. When filming those point of view shots, to ensure smoother shots during movement and up your production value of your footage, you have the option of using additional accessories such as a tripod or gimbal. A tripod is one of the most basic and essential stabilisation tools for filmmaking and can be used in multiple ways, such as still shots, tilting and panning. Always remember to incorporate the rule of thirds and lead-in lines, no matter the angle that you choose. This will ensure that your shots are more aesthetically pleasing to the viewer.